lovely people. I am Nidhi and today I am going to show you 3 viral concealer hacks that will transform your face. But before we jump in, hit that subscribe button of our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. For this hack, I am reaching for the recently launched Lakme Absolute Instant Airbrush Concealer Pen. What makes this concealer ideal for this hack is the fact it is in a pen form, which will be super handy. All you gotta do is give the concealer pen a quick twist. Then start by drawing a line on the tear duct area, edge of the eye, below the eyebrow and across the arc of the eyebrow. Then place the concealer across the edge of the nostrils. Finally draw a line from the edge of the lower lip all the way till the cheekbone area. Use a tapered blending brush and spot blend. This creamy creaseless concealer formula makes blending a breeze. It has SPF 10 and contains no skin baddies. Once blended out, it evens out the skin tone and delivers an airbrushed filter-like finish. For this, you will be needing a setting spray, a concealer and a tapered concealer brush. Start by spritzing the setting spray on the brush and lightly apply it on the under eye area. Then apply this creamy, lightweight yet buildable concealer over it. After blending the concealer again, spritz some setting spray on the brush and tap it on the concealed area. This sandwiching technique will ensure that your concealer stays crease-proof all day long. For this, you will need 2 different shades of concealer. I am using the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Liquid Concealer range. One is light shade of concealer and the other matches my skin tone. Along with this, I am using 2 cream blushes, one light shade and the other is a dark shade. So here's how you do it. Place one big dot of the light shade on the inner corner area. Then next to it, place the concealer that matches your skin tone. Right next to it, place the lighter shade of blush and at the very edge of the eye, place the darker shade of blush. Now using a concealer blending brush, blend away starting from the inner corner. Then slowly move outwards and blend it seamlessly towards the temples. This game-changing hack can elevate your look with minimal effort and time. So guys, these viral concealer hacks will definitely transform your face. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comment section below. Time for me to go. But don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notification. Bye!